This is my student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.
What is nervous system? The nervous system is an intricate, highly organized network of billions of neurons and even more neuroglia. The structure that make up nervous system includes brain, cranial nerves and their branches, spinal cord, spinal nerves and their branches, ganglia, enteric plexus, and sensory receptors all over the body. The nervous system is a major communicating and control system within the body. It works with endocrine system to control many body functions. It is a vast topic and we will cover in multiple lectures. In today's class, we will discuss about introduction, overview and organization of nervous system with structure of neurons and nerves. Classification of nervous system. The nervous system is classified into two main groups. What are these? Central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord and is the control and integration center for many body functions. It is central in our body, in the central part of our body. So it is known as central nervous system. Second part is peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous system carries sensory information to the central nervous system. It mainly consists of nerves. The peripheral nervous system is further divided into somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system, SNS and ANS. What is somatic nervous system? The somatic nervous system is under voluntary control and the effector organ are the organs which respond to the instructions from the central nervous system. Example is the skeletal muscles, we can move our hand. So this is under somatic nervous system control. The central nervous system's response to the sensory information may be to activate the somatic nervous system, eliciting a voluntary response involving skeletal muscle movement. Another part is autonomic nervous system. The autonomic nervous system is responsible for involuntary muscles, involuntary motor response, including involuntary muscles. The effector organ may be smooth muscles and cardiac muscles. Both are involuntary muscles. They are not under our control. They are under the control of autonomic nervous system. Or a gland. Gland is also under control of autonomic nervous system. The autonomic nervous system is further divided into sympathetic nervous system and the parasympathetic nervous system. We will discuss them in detail in another lectures.
My student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.